Hello everyone! Welcome again to this channel, and we'll be learning a new topic in Computer Programming 1. Our topic will be an introduction to looping control structures in Java programming. So basically in our previous videos about Programming 1, we discussed the different control structures for decisions and selection, which are if, else, and switch. So these control structures are meant to solve problems with multiple control of the program. So there may be a situation when you need to execute a block of code several number of times. Let's say, for example, the same code, but you just need to repeat it on execution. So in general, the statements are executed sequentially. So the first element in a function is executed first, followed by the second element, and so on. So just imagine if you have not encountered any looping control structures. Let's say, for example, you just need to print your name 100 times in the program. You will be needing to write system that print ln or any statements that will print the name 100 times, or there will be 100 lines of codes. So in looping control structures, this will answer, or this will give solution on not writing codes multiple times on the same codes multiple times. So this will just execute those codes multiple times or several number of times. So programming languages provide various control structures, such as looping control structures, that allow for more complicated execution paths. So by definition, a loop control structure or statement basically allows the programmer to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times, and following is there are general forms, okay, of a loop statement in most of the programming languages. So this is the a general form or of the looping control structures in representation of a flow chart. So we have a terminal symbol here. It depends. There might be some other codes above or other control flow above. And then once entering to the looping structures, it will encounter a condition. So if the condition is true, it will execute the code. Okay? So if the condition is false, it will not execute the code. So if the condition is true, it will execute the codes for repetition. So it will repeat the codes, and then it will go back to the condition. And then if the condition is still true, it will execute again the same code, and it will go back to the condition. Until such time that the condition is false, the loop will terminate. Okay? So that is the ending or the termination of the loop structure. So the condition will be evaluated to false, the loop statement will be terminated. So there are three types of looping control structures in Java. We do have the while loop. Okay? So the while loop basically repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. So it still needs to assess or evaluate first the condition. If it is true, it will execute the group of statements. Okay? So there must be a condition first, and then the condition must true. When we say condition, it must be a Boolean expression. And when we say a Boolean expression, the expression must only result to either true or false. Then we do have the do while loop. So it is basically acts like a while loop. It repeats block of codes. However, it will run an initial run or execution of the statement, and then it will test the condition. If the condition will evaluate to true, it will execute again the statement. So basically, in do while loop, the condition is at the end of the loop. So that means the statements to be executed will be executed first, and then the condition will be evaluated. So in while loop, the condition will be at the top of the loop, so it must be evaluated first before execution of the group statements. In do while loop, the loop is at the end of the loop body. So that means the statements will be executed once, and then it will test or evaluate the condition. If it is true, then it will repeat or execute the group of statements. Another type of looping structures is for loop. So the for loop is basically the most convenient type of looping structures for programmers because it's easy to understand and easy to code. But however, it is different with the other looping structures in terms of the structure, the syntax itself. So it executes a sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. So in for loop, there is a parang spaces for the loop variables, sa condition, and the increment and decrement, which we will discuss on our next videos. So these are the looping control structures: the while loop, do while loop, and for loop. So we will have a separate videos for this for each of the looping control structures. So we do have some special statements. We call them as control statements that can be implemented in looping control structures. We do have the break statement. We have discussed break statement in our previous video about switch statement. So it basically terminates the loop or switch statement and transfers the execution to the statement immediately following the loop or switch structure. Okay? So, yun, if the code or if Java interprets or execute a break statement, it will automatically terminate the loop structure or the switch statement if it is part of the switch statement. Next, we do have the continuous statement. If the break statement will totally terminate the looping structure, in continuous statement, it will just cause the loop to skip the remainder of the body. So if the continuous statement will be executed, and there are statements below the continuous statement in the loop body, it will skip those statements and it will automatically evaluate the condition. Okay? So we do have some examples for that, or a different video for the break and the continuous statement. Okay, so that ends our introduction to looping control structures. So you watch the different videos for while loop, do while loop, for loop, and the control statements also. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.